Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you like Johanna, Manchu, and if you are existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And yeah, let's start today's vlog. Let's do some chicken wings and some beef ribs. Happy Friday! Guys, let's unbox. I can't wait to dig in, because wow guys, we hardly buy ribs because most stores have pork ribs and I don't eat pork, so I struggle. Shame. Mara, why is this thing saying 300 guys? Nah, so it got 2.99. It still matters. And some wings. We're going to make Gouchujang wings, guys. If you know, I love Gouchujang. If you don't know, you are new on this channel. And then in here, it's some French fries and some paper towel. I'm gonna need it. Guys, I'm supposed to release my vlog for 3 o'clock. I forgot. Let me quickly okay, I'll take it out at 4. Yeah, I'll do it for 4 o'clock. Right now, let me deal with this chicken wings, and then after we can focus on the vlog while it's busy soaking the flavors. So this is pre-cooked. I'm just gonna put it in the air fryer and cook it for around 20 minutes or less. Yeah, 20 minutes. Max is 18 minutes to be safe, 20 minutes. But for now, let's do some wings. Stability.
어디서부터 담을 수 있을까? 벌어진 틈새를 채울 순 있을까? I don't know what to do. We've already spent too much time. 우린 이미 너무 먼 길을 너에게로부터 가장 먼저 내 마음이 또다시 철없이 널 향하지 않게 far away. 찾아왔던 네가 그렇게 반가울 수 있었을까? I don't know what to do. I can't wait for you anymore. 이제 내게 남은 인사를 건네줄게. 너에게로부터 가장 먼저 everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away. Wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going, nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moved.